Hey guys, it's Wendy Mac again. Thanks again for coming back. We're going to do a quick Sizzix unboxing. This is a part of one of their huge clearance sales they had last month for the end of the year. Um, so first of all, where you have these gilding flakes, um, gold and silver. I use them religiously. So, and they were part of the sale, so that was great. I think for the whole order, I gave $100. So you're going to be amazed. Um, I got these foils because I wasn't sure the difference between these and the adhesive aluminum sheets. But apparently, these are just the thin, foils that you use with glue and or a laminator. Now, these are the adhesive foil sheets. There's like four different colors, or 6x6, and they're exactly what they say they are. It's like a, I guess it almost like it's like a foil cardstock with adhesive. I wouldn't. I don't think it's really like the thin foil on adhesive. It's not what it felt like, anyways. But I need to open it up and tell. We'll be able to tell then. Here, I got a lot of 3D folders for like $3 a piece. This first one is the folk uh, doodle. Okay, and here's the Art Deco. This one is the summer foliage. It's leaves, so that's right up my alley. Every order I have has something to do with leaves. This is the only multi-level folder I got that's called Tapestry multi-level. And then here is the Entangled. Again, these are very old. I just have to wait until they get on deep sale to get them. Here, this is numbered, and everything always comes back. Trends always come back. So that's I've been in this business for a long time. So believe you me, this is the Botanical. I think this is probably the first one that Tim Holtz ever came out with, the of the 3D line. Um, this is Cobblestone number 2. Didn't know there was number 2. There's number 1. I'll have to compare. This one here is a Cosmopolitan Golden Rings 3D. It's the only one I got that actually has a stencil to go with it. So that'll be fun. And then here is the Geo Crystals layering stencil. It's a A6 size with 4 stencils that you layer together to make this adorable pattern, or you can actually use them separate, I think. Here's the old vintage labels dies, but I think I got like $6. Gave $6 for this. The ones that you ink that Tim Holtz came out with 6-7 years ago. And here's our Archie stems. I had to get these because they're original. I'm always looking to find something abstract. But anyways, that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for coming by. Y'all have a great one. All right, bye.